So as you already know, I am a avid Mac user. I just love Mac, primarily because I support Windows for a living and I can't stand it. But once in a while I need to run Windows. And thanks to a program called Parallels, I can actually do that on the Mac M1, and it is pretty dang fast. In fact, I would say it's probably faster than most computers, typical computers. It took them a couple years to get it right, but let's see. Let's just pull up a page. Yeah, see, I mean, it's smoking fast. So this is a program called Parallels. I think it's $100. You either buy it in a subscription or you buy it flat out. But if you buy it flat out, then when they come out with a new version, you have to pay for the update. So it just makes sense to do the subscription. Anyway, one of the things I really, really like is this desktop is exactly the same desktop. So this folder here to QNAP is literally the Mac. So it allows you to share stuff without having to copy from virtual machine to virtual machine. You know, I can turn that feature on or off or whatever. So this screenshot right here is literally on my Mac desktop. So that's cool. So yeah, you got your Windows, you can do stuff. But there's a feature that most people don't use. It's called coherence. And what that does is now every every Windows app that you have comes up natively in the Mac. Here's my start menu. I'm going to load Notepad. And you'll see Notepad, that's the program, Notepad from Windows. If I want to load Paint, there it is. So it's literally running Windows, what is this shit, advertising or something? It's running Windows. You're still doing the emulation and stuff like that, but it's so seamless and perfect that it's awesome. It's just the greatest thing ever. This is the Explorer. So whatever app you can run in Windows is running natively on, not natively, but virtually in a window, and the way that it puts it is just perfect. And the other thing that's important is that you can go in and you can take snapshots and say you can adjust the amount of memory. You know, you can say I want to give it 4 CPUs, 8 gigs of RAM. I can change the graphics cards, the turn on and off the network, select different network cards, everything. CD, TPM chip, USB devices. When you plug them in, it asks you where do you want to connect it to. It says, okay, Mac or Windows. Remember, printers are shared or not shared. And, you know, it's just beautiful the way it works. So if we shut this image down, there is a button, I think, here. These are snapshots. So your current state, you can just push a button, it'll make a snapshot of it. This is typical for virtual machines, but that's why it's taking up so much space. I got too many snapshots here. Yeah, so you delete. And if you're going to install some software that you don't trust or you don't want it to be permanently installed, you just hit take snapshot. 3 seconds later, it has a snapshot of it. You do what you got to do. And then when you're done, you can revert back to it. You get a virus, you can go back to it. Obviously, it just takes up this space. I was wondering why the image was so big. 70 gigs or something. I had 3. So I highly recommend this Mac for one thing. And then also Parallels. Now, it's not free. The program's not free. And the other thing is you do have to pay for Windows. You know, Microsoft, they want their money. So, thanks for watching. You got any questions, put them in the comments. Although, I don't know how I'm going to end this screen recording. There it is.